Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Alright, thank you so much and Dobro jutro Karo. Alright, so sorry, I'm very late today. Alright, okay. Yeah, how are you, Karo? Alright, thank you so much. And we are back here. Okay, let's quickly get into our MT4. Okay, let's see. All right. Is it time change in Singapore? No. Okay, yeah. All right. Thank you so much. And yeah, pretty late today. Totally overrun. Okay, because in the new place and everything overrun. Okay. Hi JJ, nice to see you. Thank you so much for coming in. Yeah, all right. Overrun. All right, okay. Yeah, and since back here and tomorrow, okay. I think this week, today will be only day that I can have a live streaming. Tomorrow until end of this week. Tomorrow is a Labor Day, all right. So market is going to be very quiet as well. And on the Thursday, Friday. Yeah, I may not be around. Okay, so I have plenty to pack up. Okay, so may not be able to do up the live streaming. Well, and once again, okay, so we are here and I have somebody reported something to me again in our Discord channel. And we have somebody impersonated me again, okay, going around to add you, so please be careful. All right, not me. I usually, we are in a chat group, we will talk everything in the group, okay, unless if I add you as a friend, okay, I will make sure I will verify myself first. Okay, all right. So please be careful in the Discord. All right, hi Eric, nice to see you. Thank you so much for coming in. Okay, so quickly get into our MT4. Okay, first of all, let me talk about this pound dollar first. All right, so pound dollar. Let's talk about yesterday quickly. Okay, yesterday we are looking at this. Yesterday I was looking at this area to take out the highs. And then to form, after taking out the highs, then to form the selling structure to sell. Well, the high has been taken out, but it was quite late to form the selling, and then after that, it started to sell off from yesterday, almost the closing. Then after that, the sell-off came in this morning. Okay, well, a bit late. Well, what's going to happen today is that by looking into this, okay, today. Well, let me see. Okay, we have looks like right at the bottom we still have plenty that has not been taken out yet, and anyway we have to replan everything. Okay, well, over at this point here looks like we have plenty of down there to be taken and plenty up there to be taken as well. All right, so there are both ways. So let's look at what is the possible general trend is going to happen. Okay, yeah. Well, looks like the structure here is a buying structure right now. So very high chance by looking into this area. Okay, is pretty, the probability is so much higher than taking the lows down there. Well, today we have a few high impact news later on. Correct. Okay, so I think it's good to wait for a little while. All right, so let's take a look over at this point here. Right, so by looking into H4, I see that the H4 we also have a so-called, if you look at this area, it looks like it's more like a inverse head and shoulder. Correct, inverse head and shoulder. But then we are moving towards the north. Looks like we're taking out this area of liquidity here. All right, so we're trying to balance out. Okay, fill up this gap. Then we will be likely to see things going to happen this way. All right, so this area here, yeah, okay. So So seems like we are already somewhere here. And looking into this area, okay, they have taken out this. All right, and looks like they fill up this area, but will they actually go further up to take today's high, and before they actually start the selling off once again? Okay, today my plan for the pound dollar, okay, we'll be looking into a few areas. Right, yeah, thank you, Caro. Caro is now, okay, well, I'm sharing the pound, okay, the currency. Caro is also sharing the gold. Okay, that's good. All right, and let's see over here. I need to, okay, oh yeah, okay, so let's see. Okay, we are now also coming, okay, to take a look. Right, yep. And for today, okay, by looking into the pound dollar, all right, yeah, pound dollar, I will be waiting. Okay, let's see over here. Okay, by looking into this area, okay, I think it's just nice, very nicely done up. Okay, over into this area here. Well, at the moment, from this morning, it has started to sell off. Okay, it has started to sold off, and now looks like we have coming into this area here, where we can see from here the wicks here, they have touches this area and fill up nicely. So setting up, generally I will say that it's setting up on the buy structure. All right, and it hits on the pivot as well. So now looks like a high chance that I will be waiting. Okay, I will be waiting to see the pound dollar is going to take the highs up there. So I'm waiting for this price of 125,638. So to get this area, after getting this, I'm going to wait to see if there's any chance that I'm going to break even higher. As you can see into H4 as a general view, we may be getting this and go further up, memory. Okay, so but then once again is that there may be also a chance that after getting these highs here, then there may be a good chance for them to sell off to get some areas here. All right, some areas, you can see these areas here, they are waiting to be taken out as well. Okay, so there will be these few areas, but tentatively, if I'm going to sell, I'm going to wait for 125,638. Okay, 125,638 to sell. So at the moment, it should be on the buyer side. Okay, it should favor the buyers. So at the moment, I'll be waiting. Okay, I'll be waiting to look out for some buying. Okay, to get 125,638, which is about 27 pips away, 26 pips away from now. Okay, for the buyers. Well, along the way, of course, there will be some resistance along the way that we need to take note, especially like this area here. Okay, especially like this area. Right, this area from now is about 8 pips, correct? It's about 8 pips, 8 pips to 9 pips. Okay, so this area may be one area that we also need to pay attention to. Okay, before it may comes to this area and breaks through to continue the buying. All right, so that is one. Yeah, and other than that, for now, I don't see any selling yet. Okay, I still see more onto the buying side for the pound dollar. All right, okay, and well, next to go, let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look at the gold. Right, the gold is melting. Okay. Yeah, well, like the Caro was saying that gold is melting, and let's see. Okay, over here, okay, right, okay, And take a look at this area here. Okay. Oops. Okay, so from here, let's take a look. Right. We may be looking into this area. Am I right? $23.06 is 23.03, 23.03.2. Okay, it's a weak field. Okay, over here right now. Okay, for me, yep, I'm actually looking 23.03. Okay, 23.06. 23.06. Okay, so mine is about 23.05 somewhere here. Alright, so if we can see it has actually, with plotting out these two prices, we can see there is a range. It started to have a range over into this area here. So will this actually comes into in a way, okay, will it actually comes into in a way that they will actually become a support, a range of support over there. Okay, so right now, okay, by looking into this area, okay, let's see, 23.03 and 23.06, right? Okay, looks like yeah, quite clear, huh? Okay, 23.06, 23.06 in this area here. Okay, so by putting this in, okay, yep, okay. Looking at this 23.06, by looking into 23.06 over here, looks like they are looking for some buying support, some support from the buyers to to rebound, correct? To rebound the price. Well, there may be a possibility. Okay, there may be a possibility that they may be coming into this area here. Right, right. Looking into H1 and H4. Well, this area here, yeah, will be quite likely to see some buying. Yeah, and today is the last day of the month. Correct. Today is the last day of the month. So will they have something fascinating? Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Because right now, because as I see in H1, okay. Yeah, I think the goal will be now for now will be more on the selling side. Okay, will be much more on the selling side to take out this area before. After taking out this area, let's see if there's any buying area. All right, then any buying structure to comes in to go further up. With this area here, with all these sellings here, it looks pretty good to buy. Okay, but they need some support from the buyers. Okay, so at the moment, okay, I think we shall wait and see. If you are going to sell right now to get 23.06 down to 23.03 is also possible. Okay, it's also still possible. However, where will be the good area to sell? Okay, where will be the good area to sell? I will say probably. I think they need further push up to get. Yeah, probably here. Yeah, probably here. 1, 2. I am looking into 23, 24, 9, maybe 23, 24, 9. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. 23, 24, 9. Yeah, I think that would be a good area when, wow, it's selling off now. Yes, 23, 24. Okay, 23, 24. I think around the same, right? I think we are looking at around the same price. Yeah, should be around the same price here. 23, 24. Okay. Yeah, high five, man. Okay, if you're looking into 15, yeah, I think it's almost there. Okay. And 30, H1. Yeah, I think H1 is the key. I think H1 is the key, huh? Yeah, I think H1 is the key. Okay. Yeah, it's a key time frame, but I look at 23, 24. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Wow. Eric the gold digger. No, that is yours, not mine. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So yep. I think for the gold wise today I think probably okay. You know, the move may be big during the unemployment claims. Okay, maybe big enough to move. We will see significant move in during the unemployment claims. All right. So currently it should be very cool, smooth sailing. If you are going to buy, okay, you will see the price will slowly go up. You're going to sell, to see the price slowly come down. Okay, not much of an emotion stirred up, huh? Okay, I would say so. Okay, yeah, all right. So at the moment, yeah, I'm look. So in general, okay, so we should be looking out if we are going to hit onto a target now. We should be looking on 2306 to 2303. All right, then a good selling off should be after hitting these to get 23, 24 up there. All right, before we actually can go for a good one. All right, yeah. Okay, so let's see if okay, so how about pound dollar right now? Okay, pound dollar. Yeah, pound dollar looks like we are pumping up. Okay, looks like they are pumping up. We are now about 1 minute to H4 opening. Okay, so H4, okay, should be quite good. Okay, should be quite good. All right, should be quite good to grab the top, the peak here. Okay, today. So I think it shouldn't be a problem. All right, it shouldn't be a problem to take the highs up there. After that, hopefully there's a big movement. Okay, hopefully there's a big movement. Okay, to move up. Okay, so that we can see there's a lot of area to fill later on when come to selling. Yeah. Okay, that's what I'm looking out for. Okay, so I think probably we should wait for a little while. Okay, be patient. Okay, I think it should be still quite good over at this point here. Yeah. All right. Yeah, let's wait. Okay, hi Sabrina, thank you for coming in. All right. Yeah, I've been waiting for your live streaming, and I thought no live streaming. Yeah, today I'm pretty late. I'm so sorry. Okay, so yep, and okay, all right, over here. So like now, as we can see, okay, like now as we can see, the H4 has opened on the pound dollar. Right, there's some good rejections over from this area here. Okay, so actually we can see, let me see, okay, let me have a check. Okay, where is it now? Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, looks like over at this point here. Okay, in terms of H4, looks like we are still going pretty good. Okay, over here with this over here, it looks like it should be an order block here to push from here, as we can see. 1, 2, yeah, it should push further up on the buy side. So the buyers is now favoring the buyers. Okay, so I think quite okay. Yeah, I think quite okay. So I still favor the buyers. Alright, so just look out for this area here. Okay, just look out for this area. Okay, this area may be the sellers. Okay, this area here. Okay, yep, over at this point here. 125.478. One resistance is there. Alright, 125.48. 125.47.8. Okay, 47.8. Should have some resistance there. But once it breaks through, there will be a good chance that it should be pushing up, further up. Okay, how about the gold? The gold also, H1 has opened over here, and looks like, okay, right, looks like we are having some turbulence at this 23.12. 23.12 over here. Yeah, so there should be still quite a good chance to push even further up. Okay. Yeah. Okay. A little bit here. I wouldn't say that this push. Okay, I wouldn't say that this push is going to push all the way. All right, because at the moment, it is still at the time where we should be, is, you know, let me see. It may be only some adjustment. Okay, it may be only some adjustment. So yeah, okay, since the H1 has opened, right? Okay, so let's see what it will come out along with. Okay, will it actually form as any of these any of the buying structure that comes in? All right. Okay, so hang on for a little while. I think still not there yet. There's still some chance of selling off, because the H1 open and this H4 hours, right? So on the currency side, so maybe there may be some impact on the dollar side, right? Okay, dollar is weakening at the point of at this point. All right, as we can see. So not surprised. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. Oh, pound dollar. Good. Oh, good move. Pound dollar. Good move. Okay. So we are moving up. All right. Gold TP 10 pips. Oh, congratulations. H4 opening no top wicks. Okay. Congratulations. Oh, I didn't think yeah, okay, and let's see over here. Okay, because my H4 has not opened yet. Okay, let me see. Okay, so okay, Well done, well done. Is the H4 swing off? Oh, so it went up for about 15 pips. Okay, nice. Okay, good catch. Yeah, so you can see, if I'm a gold digger, I will only dig the floor. But Karo is different. This gold digger is digging the floor, digging the left wall, digging the right wall, even the ceiling. Okay, so EU big move, so the gold will follow. Okay, alright. Okay. I see. Good. Thank you for sharing this. Okay, so pound dollar, I think we have another good chance here. Very good. We are moving towards the north and waiting to take down. Okay, later on. Okay, I'm waiting for 125.638. Okay, 125.638. Probably the gold. The pound may be waiting until the next. Maybe the next H4 opening. Alright. So it may struggle around this area. Yeah, maybe struggling around this area. Okay, but anyway, it's good. Alright, anyway, it's good to see that it's already moving up. So let's see if 125.638 able to hold. If 125.638 able to hold, then likely we will see some selling off. Alright. Of course, right now, when we come to this area, just now we are talking about this area, right? Alright, so this area, there may be some selling off. Okay, not surprised. So we are taking out this. Now we are looking into this area here. Alright, so there may be a good chance that they are coming into this area, right, to take some selling. Okay, well, so our plans for the pound dollar, I'm going to wait. Okay, I'm going to wait. Alright, so let's see. I'm going to wait until 125.638, but the 125.593 will have some will have some turbulence, some resistance to sell off a bit, or it may just sell off from here. Okay, well, let's see what's the situation at that point of time before we actually take action. Okay, all right, yeah. So over at this point here, let's take a look at the goal. Okay, so for the goal wise, I think as for the goal wise, we have, let's take a look at this area here. Okay, let's take a look at this area. 23. Okay. Oh, Eurozone maintaining the inflation rate at 2.4. No wonder. Okay. All right. I'm looking at 23.15 for this may be only a pullback, right? This area may be only a pullback. All right. For the gold, this may be a pullback to 23.15. Then there may be another round of selling off down to take the price lower down there. Okay, so take note. Okay, take note of this. All right. Yeah. Okay, so we have this. We have this to take note. All right, and not surprised. Okay. Not surprised. Yeah. Okay, not surprised that we are actually moving towards this not surprised that we're moving towards the price to the north up there first. Okay, 23.15. Okay, then to grab the price lower. Okay. But this 23.15 is a minor one. I would say it's still a minor one. Okay. All right. So probably, okay, probably it's also maybe a chance that the price will hold. Okay. The price will break to go further up. All right. But looks like they are trying to form something. You know, looks like they are trying to form something here. Oh, Trinet, GUTP, GUTP. Let's take a look. Oh, I think you are putting a buy, huh? Okay, congratulations. Okay, well done, well done. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, and then over here. Okay. All right. So over at this point, then we should be looking into. Okay. They're looking into buying further up, right? Buying further up. Okay. Let's wait for a while. Okay, let's wait for a while. Likely to see some, you know, we are looking more into like taking out a lot of you know, a lot of areas up here. Yeah, so hang on for a little while. Yeah. And as we can see at this point here, okay, for the pound dollar, I think we still have this area and the highs to be taken out. By the way, I would like to ask a question. Pound dollar, has the Asian high taken out? Has the Asian high taken out? Okay. Anyone? Anyone know the answer? Must know the answer, huh? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm asking, has the pound dollar, in terms of GU pound dollar, has the Asian high taken out? Oh, thank you, Carol. Okay, yeah. Okay, so over here, okay. Hang on. All right. Anybody? No, it did not. Yep. Okay, good. Yes. Seems like okay, everybody know. Okay, that's good. That's good. Nice. All right. Okay. Everybody know the answer. That's good. Nice. So Asian low obviously taken out. Asian low. Asian low. How about Asian low? So Asian low. Wow, fantastic. Well done, Carol. Good job. Very good. Okay, thank you, Carol. Yeah. Okay. Now, Asian low. Okay. Yes, it did. Very good. Okay. Looks like a wow today. Wow. All of you know what's going on. Okay, very good. Okay. That's nice. That's nice. All right. So, okay. So now, by looking at all this, all right, we know that there are few targets to be taken every day, correct? Okay, so obviously the low has been taken out. Then we can obviously see what's going on. All right. then the lows, okay, taken out. Then now we, by looking at the pound dollar, okay, this works quite well on the currency. So we can see that the low has taken out, liquidity have grabbed, they have the buying liquidity, forming up buying structure, and we are actually looking at, now I am looking at pound dollar, the direction of moving and the purpose of this move over here. Okay, they should be now going to take the high. In general, by shrinking down on the H1, we can see very nice structure of buying, correct? So looks like this area may be in general for the mission in May. They may be taking out this area here, so it's still on the buy side. So any selling is going to be a pullback, so we got to be a little bit careful with selling, correct? Okay, but that is general. This is general trend, but there may be some pullback during the intraday. So during the intraday, we should be looking out for something like yesterday, alright, and today, correct? Yesterday, which we have very good move over at this point here. Low has taken out, high has been taken out, correct? So after the highs has taken out, they started to swing off to create the low, which also taken out. And today, basing on the general trend, and in this general trend, we're looking out for buy. And but here, general is this way, correct? General is this way. Okay, so we are going to look at what is called the algorithm. Okay, so general over here. Then we look at what is happening here. You know, in mathematics, there are this thing, and then slowly go down, correct? And then from here, go out, and become this way. You get what I mean? All right. Then now we're going to look at the intraday. Okay, so the intraday, usually what we're going to look at is the high and the low, right? So from there, we have a Sydney high, Hong Kong high, correct? And then Sydney low, Hong Kong low as well, all this, okay? So it's going to be like a, you know, the whole algorithm logic over here, all right? Then here is going to take out something there, then they're going to go out again, all right? Right, so this is going to take this, all right? So with this move over here, most likely we're going to see some balancing, then after that, another push to go up to take the highs, all right? Likely, okay, very likely, all right? If gold closes M30, okay, let's take a look at the gold. If the gold closes M30 above 23.15, right? Yep, 23.15 over here. And we can test 23.20 to 23.24. Okay, good. All right. Well done. Whoa. Just now I was looking at 23.20. Okay, nice. 23.20. Okay. Yes. If 23.20, might a bit lower. A bit, just a bit only anyway. Not much diff. Let me see. 23.3. 23.3 to 23.20. 23.20, yeah, okay, around this area here. Yeah, M30, yes, 23.15 is one of the key here. Okay, in M30, yeah, just now this is what I also look at this area here. Yeah, if this is going to close above, likely yes, we are going to swing up. Okay, we are going to swing above. So we're going to swing up to 23.20. Okay, so it looks nice. Okay, let's see how the next 10 minutes is going to work. You know what? Probably, okay, to what I see, probably, okay. Then they may still have one mission to go. They may still have one mission to go. Okay, they may still one, two. No leh. No. Wait. I think I see something wrong here. M15. Let me check. M15. Okay, M15. Okay. M15. Alright. There may be a pull. There may be a pullback. Okay, there may be a pullback. Okay, there may be a pullback to take 2313 to get the buyers in, set up the support, then to continue. Okay, there may be a chance that they may pull back down to 2313, 7 here, somewhere here. Then they set up the buy, then they will continue the buy. Okay, then there may be a possibility this way. I mean, because I see such a move here, and with this move here, and I look into from a smaller picture, I'm slowly going to a bigger picture to see if there's a pullback over at this point here. Okay, so they may pull back to 2313, 7. Okay, then they will pump up. Okay, all right. Alternatively, if not, this 2313 may be coming in as a new target for selling down. Maybe a new target for selling off. Yeah, that's my point of view. Okay, that's my point of view here. All right. All right, pound dollar. Yes, Sabrina is selling off right now. Do you think that it will still set up the buy? Well, the pullback right now, yeah. With this area here, okay, with this area here, you can see that actually this move down is to capture all this area here, correct? All right, to fill this, but this has not fully completed yet. So I was thinking, okay, when it started to move up to capture this, after that, they maybe swing back to take down this area here. All right, so we have about 46 pip. Okay, so this may be the this is the sorry, after taking this, if there's a good selling off, it may be aiming on this area here. All right, this area. Yeah, this should be the area, right? This should be the area they should be looking out for. All right, and down here, I think for all this, yeah. Hi JJ. Hi, how are you? I love you, man. I love you too. Did you get your profits? Okay, because normally people will say, when they say I love you, it means they have some profit or they learn something from there. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, let us look at this whole general from this area here. Okay, this area here. Okay, yeah. Aha, I passed my prop firm. Wow, okay, congratulations. Well done. Okay, very good. How did you do that? Oh, go TP 8 pips. Wow, well done. Well done. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's well done, man. Let's take a look at the gold first. Okay. Right. Oh, nice. Okay. Nice pullback here. It reaches. Let me see. Oh, nice. I think you sold off from 23.16. Around 23.16, huh? Okay. Trinet say 恭喜你. Trinet say congratulations. Okay. Yeah, alright. So nice catch, nice catch. Okay, let's take a look at the pound dollar. Just now we were talking about this pound dollar. From this area, 23.1647. Okay, nice. 23.1647. Okay. Nice catch over here. Okay, nice catch. Yep. Alright. So for pound dollar, okay, look at the pound dollar, which is 23.6 of VIBO of the London sell move. Oh, of the London sell move. Huh? Let's take a look. London sell move, which is here. Okay. So from here, London sell move. Oh, okay. So it reaches the pullback of the retracement of 23.6. Aha. Okay. Nice, nice. Okay. If right from Tokyo sell or Tokyo sell? Oh, okay. All right. Okay. All right. Nice. Wow. Okay. Good. Good. Let's see if let's see if this is going to pull back to 23.13 to set up the buy. Okay. Later on. Okay. Okay, so for pound dollar, I generally, Sabrina, sorry. Okay, pound dollar, generally, I will say that, you know, from this move from 122.98.3, right? Okay, this move, here, they created a lot of space over here to continue the upward move, am I right? Okay, now, the thing is that all these may be reserved for later. After this has been taken out. After this has been taken out, this may become the targets. Okay. So at the moment, they are still in the bull running. I wouldn't say it's impossible that they will come back here, because as in the whole, if you are looking into the top here, all right, from the top here, we are actually now still selling in general trend. In general trend, we are still in the selling, but because there's a break of structure over here, so there may be some change. There may be some change over at this point here. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So which is also EMA 14 level on 15. Every time there's a pullback, it ends at 14 EMA. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at the gold again. Okay. Okay, 14 level, EMA 14 level. Okay. So 14 level, huh? Okay. Right. So you are looking into M15 on this EMA 14. Okay. Right. Okay. And yeah. Hi Roy. Nice to see you, Roy. Okay, so let's see if will there be any pullback for the gold to 2013 to set up another higher lows to push even higher. Okay, I see that there may be a chance. I see maybe there may be a chance there. Okay, let me take a look at the chart, Discord. Oh, Ah, I see. Okay. It's in our Discord channel, huh? Okay. Yep. Nice, clear, very clear. Okay, I get what you mean now. Alright. Okay, so let's see if the goal will reach 23.13 and then we have about 10 pips away. So let's see if this is going to hold, and we should see some buying. We should see still some buying for the goal. Okay, and for the pound dollar, Sabrina, okay, so there's a break of structure. So probably there may be a change of character. There's a change of character down here to actually break of structure to continue to go further up. You see, this is a general. The selling, it should be here that is coming to the end, the change of character, break of structure, and then after that, we are still moving towards the north to take whatever up there. All right. So, there's a few areas where this is the nearest area that we should be looking out for. So that's the reason why I'm actually looking into 125.639, correct? 38.39. Yeah. So, but in terms of intraday, looking into intraday, right? We should be taking out 125.639 or 638 around here. All right, then we can see some movement to sell off again. Every day they have a purpose, so it depends largely on what is the purpose of the particular day. All right, okay, yep, okay. Let's take a look. As Martin did teach me, we always have to draw Fibo from the last red volume candle. Yes, Martin. Okay, yeah. I know who is Martin. Yeah, we ever communicated in email. Yeah. Okay. So yes, JJ, do you like trading with naked charts or do you prefer indicators? Okay. JJ, it depends. Okay, it depends on the situation. In fact, if you are trading, if you know the fundamental of the naked chart, then you will see the indicators will be assistant. Okay, it will be an assistant for you. All right. But however, it all depends on individuals. Some may be so confused with the indicator because there's a lot of different interpretation for the same indicators. All right. So for example, all right, when I was in Europe and Asia, there's a very big difference in reading the same indicator. All right. Let's say Fibo. Let's talk about Fibo. When in Southeast Asia, okay, like let's talk about something Fibonacci. Okay. There are people who use Fibo very differently from what I know, and the traders are using in Europe or some other parts of Asia. Okay, and like Caro just now has mentioned, okay, Martin, okay, has actually drawn a very different way to have a very different way of drawing the Fibo, which not many people know, but I find it is very useful. It's very useful. Okay, but the thing is that it all round down to individual, whether you can trade better with naked chart, but you have to understand the fundamental of the naked chart. For example, some people may be reading candles, shooting star, hammer, pin bar, all this kind of candle patterns. Okay, but they doesn't know. Okay, whenever they see shooting star, okay, then what? They started to sell off. Morning star, they started to buy whatever. Pin bar, whether it's a hammer, then they started to buy up. Okay, so you see, but the individual candle, it doesn't mean everything. It doesn't mean reversal here and there. No, it doesn't mean everything. It means something, but it doesn't mean everything. Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell you. So you have to understand, if you're using a naked chart, you have to understand, first of all, a very simple one will be like sell at the resistance, okay, buy at the support. So same thing, that's for the entry. So exit, so that means if you are selling from the resistance, exit before the support, correct? So if you are buying from the support, exit before the resistance. Yeah, so that is the whole general. Okay, well, okay, I will add it to my arsenal. Yeah, okay. All right. Oh, by the way, Arsenal, I heard Premier League, Arsenal is on the top of the table, right? Okay, so how was the last game? Okay, yes, lots of successful traders claiming we have playbook, it will change our trading completely. Lots of successful traders claiming we have to have a playbook, it will change our trading completely. Well, I would say, how should I say? I won't disagree. Maybe I should stay neutral. Okay, for me, a journal is good. A journal is good. Okay, journal is good. Do you think journal and playbook is the same? Do you think journal and playbook is the same? I don't know. Some people view it the same way. I see it a little bit different. Okay, I see it a little bit different. In a way, journal is also, yeah. Personally myself, okay, I do have one. Okay, I have one that actually recording down. Okay, recording down. At the point of from my reading, what I see, and what am I going to do, and then I'm add in all my emotions. Okay, yeah. So I will, whenever I'm lost, I will read back. Okay, when I see this, how do I feel towards this thing? Okay, yes, to journal all trades, pattern where you earn money or lost money. Okay, you see, it is good to have. Okay, it is good to have. Okay, why is that so? It's because for me, do you still remember I told you before? In the past, there's a lot of people always tell us we learn from our mistake, which is not true. Okay, which is not true in forex trading. Okay, in trading, okay, when you have to refer to charts. Okay, why? Okay, let me tell you my theory. Okay, it may be nonsensical trade theory. Okay, because the first thing first. Okay, let's work on the trader. Let's work on the trader first. Just like F1 race, we work on the driver as well. Am I right? Okay, so we work on the trader. Trader, we look at the chart, correct? Our eyes are looking at the chart. And what is the thing? Trader, our eyes is the camera that we capture all the information into our memory, correct? All into our memory. So the first thing first, if you use a journal to record down all the mistakes, naturally your memory will only remember all the mistakes. So naturally, when you are over the weekends, in the past I do all my revision during the weekends. Okay, where did I go wrong? Why did I go wrong? What did I do? What did I do that is a wrong trade? And I still keep losing money. It's because I realized one thing. Okay, if you know this guy Kevin Trudeau. Okay, Kevin Trudeau. So Kevin Trudeau is a very good memory master. So I learned from him before. So he came into my mind that, hey, our memory remember everything. So we should work on the positivity. So I started to change. I only journal down in my book all the successful trade. So I remember them. And then I started to revise back how it moves to create the successful trade. So try to journal down all the successful trade, okay, because our eyes see and it goes to memory. So naturally when it's forming, you know, when it's forming, right, you will have a feel, hey, something is coming, but you do not know what is it. If you keep remember the correct thing, then you will have a feel that, hey, I think it's a good time to enter. But if you remember the wrong thing, then you also have the same feeling, hey, it's a good time to enter, but it's a wrong trade that you remember. You know, so it's good to have a playbook, journal, that to put in the correct trade, successful trade, so that you always remind yourself. What is the correct trade? What is the correct trade patterns? What are the correct trade emotions? Everything is in there. I do agree to have a playbook. At the same time, disagree, provided you put in the correct thing. Remember, put in the correct thing means you put in the successful trade. You put in successful, you don't put in your mistake. You put in your mistake, no point. You will only remember your mistake, am I right? Okay. Yeah, I use a journal and find it useful. Yeah, correct. It helps with backtesting. JJ, yes, that's right. Okay, yeah. So, but make sure you put in the right thing. Okay, so when you make a mistake, okay, let me share with you another thing called reverse mechanism. Okay, reverse mechanism. If you have a mistake, let's say I'm selling, okay, and it go by, correct? So you will find out where is my mistake to hit the SL. No. Since you ask the question first, what trade did you put in? If you're putting a selling trade and it went by, okay, so now change. Okay, I want to look out for buy trade. So from my entry, is it still a buy trade? You change your perception. Don't harp on your mistake or, wow, where's my SL? Why I get my SL? Why my entry got the SL? You are selling, so in a way it went opposite. Change your perception into, okay, if I want to buy from this trade, what the issue? What are the pattern that it came along with? What are the structure that it comes along with? So you change you reverse the whole mechanism. Although you put in a sell and you hit your SL, am I right? So you reverse, okay, if I now want to buy, instead of selling, I want to buy. Okay, so now you reverse the mechanism, you will get another positive. You get another positive outcome, am I right? Yeah, so you got the positive outcome, you only remember the positive thing. And in your journal, it's all the positive thing. You know, it's all the positive factors. So you naturally, when you revise back, you back test back all your information in the playbook, okay, or journal, whatever. You will only revising the positive. Then you will see, okay, you know, remember, like I told you, this area, you see, they are trying to fill this area, this dark area, this black background, they are trying to go up and fill up. Then you will see, oh, it's completely filled up. Then another new move will come. Then let's wait for the new move. Okay, this is what I meant. Right. So you will see, okay, for example, you see, oh, this area here, from the bottom, from here, you can see, okay, we have a lot of dark area here, the background. It may be coming down here to fill up. And you can see the move up and come down, correct? It filled. But you know the outcome that they want to come and fill this. But what is the next step? What is the thing that they will come to fill? You get what I mean? Alright. Okay. Hi Winnie, 你好。是的，这两天都在外面跑，很忙。OK， 今天这一周呢只有今天了，那么明天是劳动节，然后呢周四周五的话可能就也是没有这个直播啊，我也不会开台哈 ，OK 所以不过我一旦有时间我就会来开台了 ，OK 好不好Alright, so it's good to have one. Okay, it's good to have one. In fact, I had one. Okay, and it helps a lot in my personal trading, right? And slowly, I'm going to innovate my playbook, my journal. I'm going to innovate my journal very soon. Okay, yeah, and I'm going to. Okay, not to announce here, alright, but in near future, alright, in near future. Okay, so right. Okay, so over here, as a new trader, thanks for lesson. Can I use support and resistance strategy and be able to grow my? Alright, Roy, right. You are most welcome. Okay, we are here to share. Okay. Over at this point here, when you are a new trader, okay, you must remember one thing. If you are using support and resistance, okay, you have to understand the support and resistance, the elements. What are the things that created the support? What are the factors that created the resistance? A very basic fundamental for the support and resistance, okay, will be sell at the resistance, exit before the support. Buy at the support, exit before the resistance. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me translate a little bit into Mandarin. Okay, hi Winnie， 我们刚在说的我们在讨论一个东西，就是记录我们所有的交易不过要记录对的。我们5000年来的这个历史都教我们说，失败乃是成功之母，对不对其实我们不要用这句话了我们不要用那句话，从哪里失败就从哪里站起来我们也不要从错误中学习，也不要了。这个年代在外汇市场里面呢，在交易市场里面，已经不是这样了。我们应该从正确的交易里面学习。所以你盈利的话，你就要去复盘，你就要去复习，你是怎么样进场，它的形态是怎么样，好不好为什么会这样说呢？是有科学的解释因为我们的人脑 our brain, our memory， 我们的人脑呢记所有的东西，你的眼睛看什么东西，它就记什么东西，对不对？所以如果你只记错误的，那么你接下来人脑呢无形中你在交易的时候，它会传达出来的信息就是错误的信息，好不好？那如果你又记对的也记错的，你很快就会有错乱感会有很多错乱的感觉。所以呢我在于我自己本身呢，我就是去只记对的东西。那么呢我每次复习复盘的时候呢，我都看回原来是这样的记，好不好就是这样的意思那支撑与压力呢，永远要记得，就是用支撑与压力的策略的话，永远要记得一样东西，压力位置就是永远做空，好不好？那么做支撑位置永远是做多，就是这样的意思。做空的时候呢，在压力位置做空，出场要在支撑到达之前要出场就是这样的意思。 OK，Hi Roy, you're from Africa. Okay, no worries. We have I will speak in English and Mandarin, but my priority will be in English. Then I will translate a little bit quickly into the Mandarin for the Mandarin viewers. Okay, all right. Okay, yeah. So when you are growing your small account by using support and resistance, always remember to sell at the resistance, buy at the support. Okay. And scalping, myself, I use scalping. All right, 5, 10 pips, 5 pips, 5 pips, 10 pips, 10 pips, 5 pips, 5 pips, 10 pips, 10 pips. Okay, so I use 5 pips as for initial start. I will sell I will determine a direction that I want to do. I will not sell and buy at the same time. Alright. I will only determine one direction, which means I am a seller. I determine myself as a seller. Okay, so I sell. So I will wait for things like, example, the move up here, I will not sell. Okay, I will look out for the resistance. For example, we discuss the resistance is here. I will wait for the price to reach the resistance. Once it reach the resistance, I will sell. Then you must be wondering, Roy must be wondering, since you can tell where the resistance is, the price will go up. So when the price is going up, why don't you grab the opportunity to buy? I wouldn't want to do that is because I'm a new trader. So if I'm a new trader, I want to set my mind very clear about the direction I'm going. Okay. So once I set myself very clear about the direction, I will be able to tell when the price comes to the resistance, will it start to pull back or is a reversal? You will be able to tell it's a pullback or a reversal, so that when you start to sell, you will sell with confidence. You will sell very well. Okay, so for example, like this over here. Yes, Sabrina. Yep, you are right. I use your method. It works very well. I only remember all the right thing. I don't. Whenever it hits on my SL, I forget about it and continue to eat my chips. Okay. All right. Thank you, Sabrina. Okay. So you see, so for example, you see, this area here, when it comes to this area, it started to sell off, but it's actually a pullback. So I don't sell on the pullback. All right. So I stick very strictly for the price to goes up to this area of resistance. Okay. Once it hits, then when it started to sell off, okay, I sell off from here, so that I know from it hits the resistance, it will form the selling structure. Then I start selling off. Well, then it will be very confident to grab that 5 pips. You waited for so long and you only get 5 pips. It doesn't make sense. It makes a lot of sense. It makes a lot of sense. It's because I'm trying to grab that 5 pips, keep into my pocket. Any profit that is fluctuating in the market is never your profit. But when I grab that 5 pips, I put it into my pocket. As time goes by, my account will grow. Once my accounts grow, I can grow my lot size. And when I grow my lot size, I continue with my 5 pips, my account grow faster. Correct? So when I continue to upgrade my lot size a second time, I continue my 5 pips because I'm so used to it. I'm so used to it and I know what to do with it. Then you know what? My lot size is upgraded, but my pips is the same. Same way of entry, same way of taking profit, but the reward is different. You get what I mean now, Roy? Okay, so that's what I meant, huh? Sabrina is so obsessed with chips. Okay, let me translate a little bit into Mandarin. Okay, yeah, 我们用一点中文哈，好不好？ Okay, so 我们这样说啊，you're most welcome, Carol. Alright, so 我们刚才就是说，用支撑与压力来这个增长我们的小户口，所以我每次拿5个点啊，拿5个点，那么我会定一个方向，我是做空的，我就当它走涨的时候我不做啊，为了什么？就是为了不要混乱。为了不要给自己一些混乱的机会啊，好不好 ？OK， 所以呢，当我制定好了我的压力位在哪里，看到了压力位在哪里的话，我会等待压力位的到达之后呢，当它开始往下跌的时候，当你做一个方向的时候，你会很清楚的看得到它是暂时回调还是大反转，所以你会很有信心的进场。而我拿5个点是因为我要把钱收进来，从市场收进口袋，落袋为安。之后呢，我的户口呢，我一直这样做的话，我的户口会慢慢增长啦。那我的手数量才可以增加。当我手数量增加的时候呢，我还是拿5个点。不过这个时候哦，5个点 的点值就不一样了，对不对？可以从5毛钱到5块钱，5块钱到50块钱，对不对？啊，那就不一样了啊，所以这个就是那个意思哈。OK。Yes, that's how I pass my prop firm, except the platform I use only one lot as the lowest contract size because I use a futures trading platform. I see. Okay, that's good, JJ. Congratulations. That's the way you use it. Okay, so keep doing it. Don't change. If you are so used to it already, use the same way. All right, use the same way to grow your account first. Okay, to grow your account. Okay, to grow your account, to grow your income first until you have a base profit as a base. Okay, that can sustain your maybe daily expenses for maybe a few months, 6 months, or 1 year. Then you consider to change a little bit, add in a little bit to get 10 pips, to get 20 pips. Okay, so slowly grow your account slowly, and according to your lifestyle as well, according to your needs as well. Okay, don't just get into a situation. Oh, I passed. Now it's time to be a profitable trader, and I just jump into everything, and I'm going to to become a millionaire from tomorrow onwards. No. Okay, we still have ways. We still have level to go. Everybody go in levels. We don't shoot up like rockets. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's one. Okay. Yeah, Roy? Yes, sir, I understand you. Okay, very good. Nice. Hi, Santosh. How are you? Namaste. Dollar Cat, H1 buy. Dollar Cat. Okay, so you're talking about Dollar Cat? Well, Dollar Cat. Dollar Cat. Looks like a Dollar Cat. Dollar Cat. Generally, Dollar Cat. Dollar Cat. Dollar Cat. Dollar Cat should be selling off nicely. Still on the selling mode. Nicely. There may be some pullback. Let me see. 136,714. If this is able to hold, then they should be testing. Then they should be testing 137,161. Okay. 137,161. I will buy. That means for the Dollar Cat, there's some reversal coming in. Not reversal actually. They met up with the resistance right now in H1. So if I want to buy, I will be looking into 136,714. 136,714 and looking up to 137,161. 137,161. Okay. So then maybe we still have about 13 pips down to set up a support. Okay. Yeah. So at the moment, right now, if you're looking into this to buy, I will still be waiting for 136.71.4. 136.71.4, this area here, to set up the buy. Then I'll be looking out to buy at to buy to 137.161. Okay, yeah. So that is this is for the Dollar Cat at the moment. All right, at the moment. Yeah. Okay. So that is for the Dollar Cat. So okay, H1 has opened. Seems like Okay. Short-term buy, if I'm putting in a buy now, I'm looking into 136,960. 136,960 to take out. No, yeah, to fill this up. Okay. But generally, I will still wait for 136.71 for. Alright. Okay. Yep. And yes, that's Sabrina. Just now Carol was saying that you're obsessed with. Just now Carol was saying that you're obsessed with chips. You're possessed with chips or obsessed with chips. Okay. Yes, I love chips only when trading. I don't eat chips apart from trading. I find that trading is a good time to chip. Okay. Well. Well. Alright. Okay. Well, okay guys, tomorrow will be on the Labor Day, 1st of May. Okay, so market may be very slow. Can still observe, but I will avoid trading for tomorrow. Alright. And the next thing is that on the 2nd of May, alright, on the 2nd of May, I'm totally out. Okay, 2nd of May, I'm totally out. So, which is on the Thursday. So hopefully I will be back on the Friday, but unlikely. So likely to see you guys next week. Okay, alright. So there may be some change of my live streaming schedule as well. Okay, so I will update you guys in the Discord channel. Alright. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do remember to click on the subscribe button, smash the like button. Alright, okay, and also join in our Discord channel to keep yourself updated about my live streaming. Okay, alright. And of course, for people who are new to my Discord channel, just to highlight this, okay, there's some people impersonated me in the Discord channel, okay, using my profile pics to add you as friends and ask you to do some investment, okay, which I don't, okay, which I don't do these kind of things, okay, purely education, purely sharing, trading together. Okay, alright, okay, so yep, I guess should be around here. Okay, then well, I think it was Sabrina. Maybe. Okay. Yeah, so guys, I shall see you guys again. So wish you good luck in the trading, alright, and with bountiful profits. Okay, yes, thanks Eric, the real sir. Always a pleasure to be part of the community. Yes, exactly. Okay, so thank you so much, and I shall see you guys very soon. Okay, I will keep you guys updated in the Discord. Okay, yeah, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, Sabrina, enjoy your chips. Okay, yeah, so do remember today we have unemployment claims as high impact news. Do remember to stay away. Okay, give you some tips. Allow the news, release the data. After that, then look out for a chance to trade. Okay, there are plenty of chance to trade after that. Okay, all right, thank you so much guys, and I shall see you again. And this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you and good luck.